Okay, can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Patrick, can you hear me? Okay. All right. Okay, this is, that must be, okay, Lolade, she's okay. Great. Okay. Lolade, good. So you're here now. Yeah, we've been waiting and,
Yes.
okay, great, great. You're welcome. Welcome. How was your day?
Fine.
Great, great. Okay, we'll start now because we've been waiting. We're starting very late now. It's 8:35 already. Um, yes, let's endeavor. I know you had challenges coming in tonight, but tomorrow, let's endeavor to be early so that we can start on time and finish the modules. Okay, so we'll be talking about data analysis. This is the 100, analyzing data with Power BI. Okay, my name is Franca Ibuzo. I'm CEO Cheska Global Solutions, and I'm an MCT, Microsoft Certified Trainer, Business Intelligence Expert, a Scrum Master, and a data analyst. I'm also Agile enthusiast, IT cybersecurity consultant, digital marketer. And with me is Emmanuel. Sorry, Emmanuel, I should have asked for your picture so at least we could introduce you properly. But Emmanuel Awa is also a Microsoft certified trainer and is a business intelligence expert. He's a data analyst associate too, and agile enthusiast too. Yeah. So that's Emmanuel Awa. He's he's one of the trainers tonight. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Okay. So benefits of business intelligence. The BI in Power BI stands for business intelligence. Yeah. So business intelligence, fast answers to business queries. That's what you get with the benefits. Yeah. It enables real-time analysis with quick navigation. It identifies cross-selling and upselling opportunities. It reduces the risk of bottlenecks. Yeah, these are the benefits of business intelligence. It helps you know your business better and improves decision making. Okay, I'm going to run through the slides. Yeah, so understanding self-service BI,
We
self-service.
can't see your screen if you're sharing it.
Oh, you can't see my screen.
No, I
Oh,
can't. I don't know if
oh,
others
really?
are.
Lolade, can you see my
I
screen?
can't see your screen. I was wondering. I've been trying to reconnect again. I can't even
Oh,
see.
oh, really? Okay, let me reshare. Patrick, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I
Hello?
can. Yes, I can.
Okay, okay. Lolade and Patrick, can you confirm if you can see my screen? Okay. Okay, sorry. Maybe I should have just reshared. I didn't know that. So, okay, analyzing data with Power BI. Yeah. Okay, I introduced myself. I said, my name is Franca Ibuzo, CEO at Cheska Global Solutions. Yeah. And a Microsoft certified trainer, business intelligence expert. Yeah. And data analyst associates. Okay. And I mentioned that Emmanuel Awa is also a trainer with me tonight, and he's also a Microsoft certified trainer and data analyst associates. Okay, so we'll be here most of the time, this week especially. Okay, benefits of business intelligence. Yeah, I hope you can see my screen. Yeah, can we all see the screen? Okay, business intelligence, I say, is fast answers to the benefits. You get fast answers to any business query. It enables real-time analysis with quick navigation. It identifies cross-selling and upselling opportunities, reduces the risk of bottlenecks. So with business intelligence, it helps you know your business better and improves decision making. Yeah. So these are the benefits of business intelligence. And I also mentioned that the BI in Power BI stands for business intelligence. So understanding self-service BI, it drives action by providing business decision makers access to the data and tools they need to analyze data specific to their questions. They can quickly report on that analysis and make informed decisions to advance the business. You'll get the slides after the class, so you don't have to. You could just maybe have highlights, but you don't have to take so much notes. So understanding self-service BI, yeah, you make the BI tools, the DIY BI, that's a do-it-yourself BI. Make BI tools easy to use. Make BI results easy to consume and enhance. Yeah. Make the DW solutions fast to deploy and easy to manage. It makes it easy to access source data. Yeah. So BI for everyone. You have the technical BI. Yes, that's where you have the IT and the user. Then you have the self-service BI. That's in 2010. That's what we had. You have the analyst and the user, and also you have the end user BI. That's in 2015. That's what we had. Everybody using that. Okay. So um I'm going to skip some of these. Okay, you have with BI, you have different data sources. So you can connect to different data sources. You can connect to SQL, Excel. You have hundreds of data sources that you could connect to. Yeah. Lolade, have you been able to download your Power BI desktop?
Yes, but I can't connect. I think I have to I can't really go into the whatever except I'm connected to, I don't know, a particular, I think, website or something.
No. Do you don't have the desktop? You didn't download the
I
desktop.
have it on my phone. I have it on my laptop. Sorry, I have it on my laptop already.
You have the Power BI desktop on your laptop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. That's all you need.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So you can connect from different data sources. Yes. To the Power BI service, you could connect and you can publish to the Power BI service, and you have gateways. Mhm. Okay, so the 4 skills needed to master Power BI: getting data with Power BI. Yeah, you have data visualization, where you do the data, where you design, best practices. You have the basic database skills. Yeah, these are the skills you need. Data preparation, we'll be going through that, where you do the extracts. You extract data from different sources, Excel, be it Excel, different data, PDF, We have several data sources. Then you transform your data. Yeah, that's the Power Query. You transform your data, which is the kitchen. Clean your data, then you load your data. So ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. And you have the business maths and statistics. So get data with Microsoft Data Analytics. This module explores the different roles in the data space, outlines the important roles and responsibilities of a data analyst, and then explores the landscape of the Power BI portfolio. Yeah. So so this course will discuss the various methods and best practices that are in line with business and technical requirements for modeling. We'll discuss that modeling, visualizing, and analyzing data with Power BI. So the course will also show how to access and process data from a range of data sources, including both relational and non-relational data. So this course will also explore how to implement proper security standards and policies across the Power BI spectrum, including data sets and groups. The course will also discuss how to manage and deploy reports and dashboards for sharing and content distribution. Yeah, I already shared the modules on the platform. You must have seen it on the WhatsApp platform. The modules we'll be looking at. Finally, this course will show how to build paginated reports within the Power BI service and publish them to a workspace for inclusion with Power BI. That's why we need to come in early so we can cover, you know, the modules. Sorry?
Can you please send it to the email, to like our email?
Say that again.
Can you please send it to our email?
Okay. You mean send what to your email?
Model, like what you said, model, like
The modules.
yeah, and like the what you're teaching, what you're teaching right now, what you're telling us.
Oh, you mean the slides?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, you get the slides later. You get the slides at the end. Yeah, you get the slides. Yeah, but I've sent the modules on the WhatsApp group though. The modules will be covering. You saw that, yeah? Okay. So the audience for this course are data professionals and business intelligence professionals who want to learn how to accurately perform data analysis using Power BI. This course is also targeted towards those individuals who develop reports that visualize data from the data platform technologies that exist on both in the cloud and on premises. So you'll learn how to clean and transform data, get data, model data for performance and scalability, design and create reports for data analysis. We'll learn all that. So successful data analysts start this role with experience of working with data in the cloud, specifically using the core data concepts, knowledge of working with relational data in the cloud, knowledge of working with non-relational data in the cloud, knowledge of data analysis and visualization concepts. Yeah. So module 1, data analytics and Microsoft, getting started with data. That's what we're going to cover in module 1. Yes, getting started. We'll explore the different roles in data, identify the tasks that are performed by data analysts. We'll describe the Power BI landscape of products and services. Use the Power BI service. If I'm too fast, please, you can ask questions as we go on. Yeah. And if I'm too fast, please let me know. So data and information is the most strategic business asset. Yeah. So you get your data and you analyze your data. So we'll come out with reports like this, visualizations. Yeah, we'll get these visuals. Yeah, we'll learn how to visualize the data. Okay, so these are the different roles in data. You have the business analyst, you have the data analyst, you have the data engineer, and you have the data scientist and the data administrator. Okay, I would like Lolade and Patrick. Yeah, I'd like you to Google these roles and write out, just check what each of them does. Yeah, you need to know their different roles. So I'd like you to do that that would be your first assignment. Yeah, just go to Google and see what each one does. But in brief, I'll tell you the business analysts, business analysts, BA, they're responsible for bridging the gap between IT and the business using data analytics and analytics to assess processes, determine requirements, and deliver data-driven recommendations and reports to executives and stakeholders. So it'd be nice if you go to Google and understand the different roles. Yeah. But for this, what you're learning is to become a data analyst. Yeah, after this, you become a data analyst, and the data analyst interprets data and turns it into information, which can offer ways to improve a business, thus affecting business decisions. So data analysts gather information from various sources and interprets patterns and trends. Yeah. So as a data analyst, you gather information and you analyze the data and visualize the data so that decisions will be made. And a data engineer builds and maintains the systems that allow data scientists to assess and interpret data. The role generally involves creating data models, building data pipelines, and overseeing ETL, that's extract, transform, and load. I have the data scientist. The data scientist builds and trains predictive models using data after it's been cleaned, using computer programming, statistics, and linear algebra, machine learning, and algorithms. Okay, and you have the database administrator, DBA, uses specialized software to store and organize data. The role may include capacity planning, installation, configuration, database design, migration, performance, monitoring, security, troubleshooting, as well as backup and data recovery. Okay, so that's what you have. Then another thing I'd like us to look at is an overview of data analysis. Yeah, data analysis is telling a story with data. Remember, I mentioned that as a data analyst, yeah, you get the data, yeah, and you visualize it, so you can tell a story with the data you've gotten. So telling a story with the data. And there are 5 categories of analytics. This is very important. We need to also know this. And Google is your friend. Yes. So you need to, tomorrow, I'll call on somebody to just tell me what descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, and cognitive, what they they stand for. Okay, so maybe what you could do is you could take note of these 5 categories of analytics. You could write them down, then you would Google them, and we'll discuss that tomorrow. What do you understand by descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, and cognitive? Can discuss that tomorrow. Have you taken this down, Lola Day?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Patrick?
I have.
Okay, the 5 categories. So you could just Google them and we'll discuss that tomorrow. So task of a data analyst. A data analyst will prepare data, prepare the data, that's you get the data, clean the data, then model the data, yeah, visualize it, that's you have it in graphs, yeah, analyze it, then manage it. So as a data analyst, this is what you do. Then, okay, introduction to Power BI. Power BI, a collection of software services, apps, and connectors. So here you can see you're getting your data from, it could be Excel, it could be SQL, it could be from the cloud, it could be from anywhere. You're getting your data into Power BI. So you clean the data, and you visualize it, and you get your reports. Okay, so you use Power BI to, we have the Power BI desktop, which we'll be using now. Then you could also have your Power BI service. Yeah, you publish to the Power BI service. Then you could also have it on your phone, Power BI mobile. Have the mobile version. Okay. Okay, so building blocks of Power BI. These are I'll just count through this so that would do some work today, at least start something. I sent also I sent the ETL the data set. Did you see it on your, I sent a data set. Yeah. The data set you need to maybe what I should do is, okay, what I'd like you to do, I'd like somebody to share his or her screen because I'll be working from your screen. Let's do some, it's almost 9. Let's do some. Did you see the ETL file?
Yes.
Okay, I need you to download it and extract. Who would like to share his or her screen?
I have it
Lolade
on
or
my
Patrick?
screen.
Pardon?
How do I share my screen?
How do you share your screen? Okay, let me share this so that at least we can. Can you still see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. If you look on your screen, you see where you have the mic. You have the camera, the mic, and this should be showing your arrow up key. Can you see that?
Open share tray.
The arrow up key.
Open share tray.
No. Can you still see my screen?
I can still see your screen.
Yes, this third icon. It says stop sharing because I'm sharing.
Okay,
Up arrow key. Yes. But have you downloaded the the file.
I haven't
The
downloaded.
ETL.
I think you have to send it to my email so I can easily click on it and download.
Okay. You don't have a WhatsApp on your laptop, no?
No, I don't.
Okay. So Patrick, is that the same with you?
What did you say?
Do you have WhatsApp on your phone, on your laptop?
No, I don't.
Okay. So I'm going to send the ETL file, yeah, to your email address, so you can take it from there. Okay. The ETL, the data set. I'm going to send it to you. So Patrick, are you sharing now?
So should I?
Okay, let me.
Can you see it?
Okay,
Can you see
okay,
it?
stop. If we can see your screen,
Yeah.
it's coming up. Patrick,
Yeah.
send me your email again on. I know I have it on. Send it to me again on WhatsApp now, so I can. I know you filled the form, but so I can send you the email now. Have you sent it, Patrick?
Sent it.
Patrick, have you sent it?
I've sent it.
Okay. Okay, so it's a data set. I'm going
I
to.
have the data set already on my laptop. I
Okay.
sent it on
You.
WhatsApp, right?
Yeah, I sent it on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Yes.
I sent it to my laptop already.
Okay. Good. Okay. So, Lola, it's only you that need it, yeah? Okay. If you've sent, if you have it on your laptop, you can extract the data and share your screen so that we can screen this evening.
Can you see my screen now?
Let me check. Okay, Lolade, I've sent it to you. Lolade, are you there?
Can you see my screen?
Not yet. I'm coming.
I can see your screen, Patrick.
Okay.
Or your
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Have you extracted your data though?
Let me open it.
You say you have your data on your desktop. Let's look at your data first.
That's what
Your
I'm
data
trying.
set.
I want to open it. I want to open it.
Yeah. You can close this and share your data set. Okay, I think Lolade dropped off. Let me find out what the problem is. So Patrick, are you sharing you stop sharing your screen?
Oh, I'm coming.
Patrick,
Yeah,
is there a problem?
there's no problem. There's no problem. So,
We're waiting for you to share your screen and to extract your data. We can guide you on extracting your data if you have a challenge. Patrick, we can see.
can you see it?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Power BI,
your
right?
data set. No, your data set first. Where is your data set? Let's look at your data set.
Can you
Where
see it?
did you do? Not yet.
Okay. Sorry, I know what to do now. So
Yes. Just click
this right?
on
This right?
your data set.
Can you see it?
Okay, have you extracted the data?
Yeah.
Did you extract it?
Yes.
Okay.
I can see
Okay.
trim clean case, renaming and adding metadata, splitting columns.
Yes. You have all that.
Can't you see it?
Yeah, I can see that. I can see your data set now. Okay, so click on the first one because you need to know what type of data it is. Yeah. Just
Okay.
move your cursor to the right. To where the Microsoft, where it says Microsoft Excel. Can you see that it's CSV file?
Yeah, comma separated values file.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. So you need to check what type of data it is. Yeah, the type of data sets before bringing it in. Okay, so this is a CSV file. Okay, you can go back to your Power BI now. Lolade just dropped off. I don't know what challenge she's having. Oh, Emmanuel, is it your internet that keeps kicking you out?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. I think Lolade was kicked out too. So, um, okay, we'll go on while she comes back on. Okay, so to get your data, your data set, click on get. Okay, first, looking at this is the Power BI screen. You have your file, home, insert modeling. Can you see the menu on top there?
Yeah, modeling help and
Yeah,
view.
view and that, yes. Click on file and see what you have under file. Okay, this is you save on if you want to bring up your file. Yeah, so you can save your file here. You can get data. Okay,
So
let's go back to
um
imports.
I
Pardon?
tried I tried signing in one time, but I don't need to sign into if I just save it, like it's going to save on my system.
Yes, if you save your data sets, yeah.
Yeah, it's just going to save on my system.
Yes, you save it here. Yeah, yeah. Click outside there. Let's Click outside to get video. Okay, so you can save, after working on your data, you can save there. You can either do file and save, or you can save here and continue what you're working on. Yeah, click on home. Okay, home is already highlighted. You see, that's where you have all this. Yes, you can get your data. Yeah, you can get from different data sources. Remember, I mentioned that. Then click on insert. Okay. Later you take your time to go through all that. You have the key influencers, you have the AI visuals, key influencers, the composition tree, and all that. Okay, let's go back to home. Let's okay, now get data. Click on get data. The arrow down key. Can you see the arrow down key? Yeah, click on the arrow down key on get data. Yeah, okay. It opens up the different sources where you can get data. You can see you can get from Excel, workbook, text CSV, then different sources, SharePoint. There's so many sources you could connect your data from. But this time we're connecting from
Excel.
No, this is not Excel. Remember, it's a CSV file.
Sorry, this is
Yes,
text from
yes,
CSV.
text CSV. Yes, so that's the second one. Can you click on that? Text the slash CSV. Click on that, then connect. Okay. So um what happened? Did you go back there?
Don't mind. So I should open that file from trim and clean.
Yes, click on it, select it, click,
Open, right?
then open, yeah. Okay. So this is your Power BI environment. Okay. Okay, so here it says load, transform data, or cancel. Here you want to transform data because you want to clean the data first. Yeah, so you don't load, you transform your data first. So can you click on transform data? Yeah. So your transform data, this is where we refer to it as your either your kitchen or your workshop where you do your cleaning, you clean your data. Okay, and
I can't see
what's
Power
happening?
Query. Can you reshare your screen?
Yeah, that's it's not even showing. That's what.
Are you seeing Power Query? Yeah, just
No,
reshare
not
it.
yet, not yet.
Can you see it?
Okay, yes, it's up now.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's up now. Yeah. Okay. So here you have, okay, because the first file is trim and clean. So tell me, you're a data analyst now. Yeah. So tell me, what is wrong with this data?
What's wrong with the data? It's
Yes.
disorganized.
Where?
It's disorganized. Like on a base. It's disorganized.
Which one? Which column is it disorganized?
Um. Okay. Gender.
Sorry?
Oh, let me check. Let me look more. Gender. It's just I don't
Gender.
know.
You can't say what is wrong with the data set.
Okay, hold on.
Lorna, you still having a challenge?
Yeah, but don't worry, I'm coming. Just keep going. I'm coming. My laptop is just giving me issues. I'll come on very soon.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
You can go on, don't worry.
Sure, yeah. Patrick,
Yes.
yeah, take a look at the name column. What is wrong with it?
I mean,
Yeah.
it's just written. It's just written. It's not written from. It's not written in an orderly form, in an orderly manner.
Yeah, what's wrong with it?
Is there a word I'm meant to use?
Pardon?
Is there a word that I'm meant to use? It's just not written in an orderly manner.
Yeah, what order would you prefer? What order would you want?
Oh, um, like I would have to rewrite. Like I would have to rewrite it and like adjust, move the spacing. In fact, the spacing of the names. Like
Yes, that's correct. The spacing. Okay. The NACA is just coming. Okay, the spacing. Yeah. Okay, you can see that the spacing is not right. Hello, NECA. NECA, you still have issue with your audio. Okay. Okay, take your cursor up there to where you have the name. Yeah, and right click. Right click. Okay. You notice that you have some spaces. It's not evenly spaced.
yes.
Yeah, it's not evenly spaced. So that's the problem you have there. Okay, go to transform. Okay, under transform you have trim, you have clean. Okay, take note of what you have, and if you look at the right side of your, somebody has a noisy background. Patrick, Neka, is that you? Can you mute yourself, Neka, if you're not speaking? Neka. Thank you. Okay. So take note of your right note screen, the right part of your screen where it says apply steps. Can you see that, Patrick?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So whatever you do would show here. So your applied steps will be shown here. Okay. So click on trim and see what trim gives you. Can you see what happens?
Yeah, but it's not everything that.
No, it's not everything. Yes, at least it's clean some. Can you
Yeah,
see that?
it has.
Yes,
It
some,
has. It
yes,
has.
yes, it's gotten rid of some. Yeah, you still have some spaces though. Yeah. Okay, go back again and
Do the same thing.
no, no, you're not clicking on that arrow. You're clicking on that. Yes, the middle there. Okay, go back to transform and click on clean.
Hmm.
Clean, yes, clean. Okay. So what do you have? Can you see?
Yeah, it's
You've
better
gotten
now.
rid of the spaces. Yeah, it's a lot better. Yeah. Okay. And And also, if you have, there are some that still have like two spaces. Yeah.
Yeah, I can. Mrs. Amy,
Oh,
Mrs. Ali.
yeah. You notice that on the right, where you have the apply steps, you
Yeah.
have the trim that you selected and the clean. Yeah. If you change your mind, you want, you can delete whatever step you've applied. Yeah, by selecting X. No, okay, you can either do that or you just go to
Yes.
there and click on X.
Just leave
Yes,
it. Okay, okay.
yes, yes. So that would you know, that would delete the last step you took. Okay. Yeah. You notice that okay, there are some that have two spaces. Okay. Uh, click on, you can use the replace and click, right click again. Okay. Select replace values.
Yes.
Click on it. Okay, this time you can select two spaces. Two spaces. Just move your cursor twice.
Yeah.
Did, did you select two spaces? Value to find, two spaces. Space bar twice. No, now in there now.
Those values. Yeah, that's just space bar. Space bar
Yeah,
twice, right?
value, yes, space bar twice, yes. Then replace
Okay.
it with, yeah, go to the next option. Replace it with one space, yeah, and click OK. Click on OK. Okay, so it's clean now, isn't it?
Yeah,
All
cool.
the yes,
So,
all
but
the
Patrick, you understood what happened there, right?
Yeah, I replaced and I found the this thing, the ones with two spaces. I replaced them with one. That's why I clicked two here, twice here, and replaced with one. Right?
Oh, okay.
yeah.
I'm just making sure so that because the
Mm,
situation might be different with the data you're working with, so you know what to do and apply them appropriately.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thanks.
okay. Okay. And also, if you look at your menu, you also have that, the replace. You see the options you got there, replace value. You also have it on the menu up there. Yeah. Can you see to the right, replace values? Yeah, click on that, replace value. Click on it again. Click. No, replace value on. No, not there. Did you click on the menu?
Anyway,
Okay, yeah, up there, up just below to the right. Can you see it? Yeah, under yeah. That there, up, replace value just above transform. That's replace value now. Yeah. Click on it, is the same. It does the same thing. Click on
okay.
that.
I don't need to come here and do this. I can
No,
just
no, no, there are different
I
ways.
can
I'm
just
just showing you
okay.
another.
Okay,
Yes, I'm showing you
okay,
the
yeah, okay.
different
This is
ways.
another way, rather.
Yes,
Sorry, another way.
yes, yes. Another way to do that. So you can click on cancel there. Yeah. Okay. So the name actually is trim and clean. So it
Okay,
gives you a hint of what to do. Yeah. And if you look at your data sets, you have the ABC. Can you see that?
yes,
On the first column, you have ABC. Yeah.
yes.
Can you click on it to the left there?
ABC.
Yeah, the ABC on top there. Yes. Okay. So it tells you the type of data it is. Yeah. ABC stands for alpha. Yeah.
Al-
Alphanumeric. Sorry?
Alphanumeric. That's like alphabet and numbers.
Yes. Then you have the decimal, you have the fixed decimal, you have whole numbers. Whole numbers is 1, 2, 3. Then you have percentage, you have the date format. Can you see all that? Yeah. Yeah. So, and you have your alphanumeric is always left aligned. Yeah, you can see that these are the names are left aligned. All your alphanumeric is left aligned, but your numeric is right aligned. Yeah, yeah, numeric is right aligned, like your date format. Okay, okay. Now let's look at the next data sets. Can you go back to your data set? No, not your data set. The ETL data sets you downloaded. Okay, the next one is renaming and adding metadata. Okay. Okay, this is a text file. Oh, okay, we can use the other one. We can use that same data set to rename, to see how to rename and rename your data set. Can you, okay, go back to Power BI, please. Okay. So suppose you want to rename, these are, here you have username, you have name, you have gender, date of birth, occupation. Yeah. Suppose you want to rename the name to full name. Yeah, click on it and rename it. You want to rename that where you have name. No, just the name, because it's the full name actually you want there. No, just click on the name. No, not there. Click on the name. As in N-A. No, as in N-A-M-E. Yeah, click on it. Click. You have to, yes. Then you can change it to full name. Instead of name, you want the full, yes, you want to rename it to full name. Okay. So once, if you want to rename anything, just click on it and you can rename it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And if you click on the arrow down, okay, yeah, you scroll to the right and see what you have on the right there. You have occupation, you have subscribe totals, yeah. Okay, now I want you to go back to click on where you have gender, click on the arrow down key. Okay, so it tells you that what you have on this column is female and male. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Can you cancel what? Can you cancel that? And click on the next one, that the full name, where you have full name. Click on the down arrow key. Okay, so it gives you all the names you have there. Yeah. You can either sort in ascending order, or you can sort, or you can sort in descending order. Yes. Okay. And if you have some empty cells, you can remove them. Okay. Lolade, you're welcome back.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's just go back a bit for Lolade so she can catch up. Okay, Lolade, we just brought in this data sets.
Okay.
It's one of okay, I sent it to you by email.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to extract it. what we'll do is we'll take turns and we'll share your screens. We don't, it's always better you having hands-on. So you learn faster that way. Yeah. So Patrick is sharing his screen tonight. So tomorrow, Lolade, you'll be sharing your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So what we did here was we cleaned the data. Okay. Patrick, can you delete what you have in your applied steps so that you can? Yeah, just
Everything
delete.
up to
Yeah, just
three.
delete. Yes. Yes. Up to trim so that you can quickly go through it with her. Okay. Okay, trim. No, trim, just trim. Trim tag. Okay, that's it. Okay, so the data was like this. Okay, click on, okay. You can see here we're in Power Query Editor.
Okay.
Yeah. What we did was in Power BI, we clicked on Get Data.
Okay.
And yes, and we selected, because you need to know the type of data you're getting. Yeah,
Okay.
because there are different sources you can get from Excel, SQL. Okay, this one was a CSV file. Yeah,
Okay.
so we got the CSV file. So it changed to, you can see that you brought it to Power Query Editor. So in this Query Editor, this is where is regarded as your kitchen or your workshop, where you do your cleaning. You clean your data. So, okay, Lolade, what's wrong with this data? Let's even look at the second column, the name column.
I guess it's not orderly, like it's scattered,
Okay.
and probably a lot of gaps in between before the mister, like the first row.
Okay, that's good. Yes, you have a lot of spaces, yeah, in between. So, to get rid of that, okay, what do you do, Patrick? Tell us.
You trim it.
Yeah, tell us how do you trim it?
Oh, okay. Then I'm sorry. You just on name you right click.
Yeah, you right click,
Then
you
you
take your
transfer
cursor, yeah, you take your cursor to
name.
the header there, yeah, name, the header name, and you right click and select transform. So under transform, you have trim. So click on trim. Okay. Okay, trim. Then you still have some spaces. You notice that some spaces are gone.
Over here.
Okay, yes, you still have some spaces. So you can go back and clean, select clean. Okay, a lot is gone too, but you still have some spaces too. So you can use the replace and replace values. Lolade, are you following?
Yes, I am.
Okay, replace values. This time you're replacing, because now what you have is like two spaces in some areas, two spaces, and you want to get rid of those two spaces. So can you select two spaces, Patrick? Yeah, and replace it with just one space and click on OK. Can you see that all the spaces are replaced now? Yeah. Can we see that it's clean now? Yeah. Lolade.
I'm trying to get the replace.
Oh, okay. You're also working on it too.
Yes. No, 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 I'm not working on it. I'm trying to understand like how we did it and all that.
Okay. Yes, the replace is still, you right click,
Yes, I can
you
see
right
the
click,
value. Okay.
replace values. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, click on replace values and you select how many spaces you want to replace. Yeah, find two spaces, then replace with one space, and you click on OK. Okay, so let's cancel this one.
Well, excuse
Okay.
excuse me, Franco, Mrs. Franco.
Yes, go on, go on. Yeah,
What
go
if,
on.
it doesn't have to be just spaces, right? It can be a word. Or it can be a letter.
Okay.
Can it be a
How do you
letter?
mean? Oh, yes,
Like,
if you want to
if you want
replace a
to replace
letter.
like R with like, let's say A or something, or everything with A is going to get replaced with R, right?
Oh, sure, yes. You can replace it with anything. Like if you want to replace some letters with another letter, you use replace values.
Or a
Yeah.
name even.
Yeah, names, even numeric. You can also
Oh,
replace
okay.
numbers. Yeah, whatever you want to replace, you find it. It's just like you have in your Word. You
Yeah,
find and replace.
yeah.
Yeah. I find you have it in Word, you have it in Excel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So and Lolade, if you look at um the right side of your screen,
Yes.
yeah. Patrick, can you point to the applied steps? Can you take your cursor there? Patrick? Okay. These are the applied steps. So anything you do comes here. Remember we did
Okay.
trim text, clean text, and replace text.
Okay.
And if you change your mind, you don't want to apply the steps, you can just delete. Click on the X and it gets deleted. Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, we also looked at how to rename, like all these, what you have as the headers. You have username, name, gender, and all that. Suppose you want to rename that name because it's what you really have here is full name. So click on it and rename it to full name. So once you click on it, then you can delete that and type full name. Lord Ade, are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So that's good. Then let's go back to your data set. Let's see what next we want to work on. Can you go back to your data set, Patrick? Okay, splitting columns. Okay, click on it. Let's see if we want to bring that. Okay, the split columns. Okay, so you want to bring this to your Power BI.
Okay.
Check the type of data. Remember, we always have to check. These are three files you want to bring in. So can you see the type of data? What type of data is this?
The text document.
Yes, they are text documents. So let's go back to Power BI.
Like a new.
Can you go back to Power BI? Okay. No, not a new one. Still on that.
Page.
Okay.
Yeah, still on the one we're working on. Can bring your.
Oh my God.
What happened?
Don't worry, don't worry. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Jeez.
Did you close that one?
No, no, no. It's fine. It's good.
Okay. Yeah. No, okay. No, you want to go to Power
It's
BI.
here.
Remember,
Yeah.
minimize.
Just,
Pardon? This is Power Query. If you look at the top left-hand corner, what you need is Power BI, where you had the other.
Mrs. Franco.
Yes.
The text document. This well, am I just going to drag it into Power BI?
No, go to your Power BI. Remember, you should have two screens, your Power Query and your Power BI.
Okay.
Can you minimize this and go to your Power BI?
So how do I record? Like when anytime if I close this, I have to like come to or
No, just minimize this.
am I
Okay, go to
opening
your Power
Power BI?
Your Power BI should be open.
It's
You
open.
have
Like
two
it's
screens.
open.
Yeah, you have two screens open. Your Power Query and your Power BI.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If you look at this, hold on. If you look at the top, can you see your Power? This is your Power Query editor. Yeah, can you point to it? Power Query editor. Okay. Yes. If you look at, you should have another open screen, your Power BI.
This is the only thing someone like.
Sorry? Okay, minimize this and look for your Power BI that you were working with before you came to Power Query. Minimize this.
Okay.
Just click on minimize.
Every time I close, I always have to open share tray again.
Okay, this is your Power BI. Yeah. But this is not what you were working on. Okay, let's maximize this. Did you have to? No, don't. What are you trying to do? Are you bringing in? Maximize this. What happened? I wanted you to bring it to this. Not the. Did you have to open another Power
Yes.
BI screen? Huh?
So when we open Power BI, right?
Yeah. Mhm.
When I went to what they call it. Is it file? Then it's get data.
No. That's not. That's
Okay.
not. No, that's
That's
not it.
that's
Because
how we got the other file.
you see, I wanted you to bring to get this data still on the Power BI you were working with the last time. Anyway, let's keep going. It's okay since you already have that one there. Okay, get data again. Click on get data. No, Patrick.
Let me just try to get. This is Power Query, right?
You don't. Yeah. I want you to be in
This
Power
is
BI
Power
now.
Query.
Yeah, this is Power
Okay.
Query.
Okay.
Yes, I don't want Power Query now. I want you to be in Power
Okay.
BI
So where do I go
because
to now? Power BI.
okay. Stay there.
Yeah.
Stay
Yeah.
on that one. Stay on
Okay.
Power Query. Yeah, stay on Power
Okay.
Query. Then um you can do new source. Click on new source.
New
No.
source. Yeah.
New source. Yes. Yes. Okay. So this was what's the next one? A text file, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That's text. Yeah.
if you're in Power Query and you want to get your data, yeah, it's you click on new source and okay, the data set you want to get is a text file. So click on text, click on that text. Okay, and remember there are three of them. Yeah, it's clients, click on clients. You need to get them in one by one. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, that's the client. So go back and get the next one. select text file, country, open. Lola, are you following?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Then you see, if you were in Power BI, you'll be transforming. But since you're already in Power Query, you just click on OK to bring it into Power Query, so you can do all your cleaning. Okay, so now can you go back to clients? Okay, so this is, what should we do here? What is wrong with this data? Can somebody tell? Lola,
Yeah.
Patrick. Yeah, what's wrong with this data set? This is a client's data set. No, go to the top. Yeah. What is wrong with this? Remember, we are all data analysts now. So
I think the letters are mixed with numbers.
okay. The letters are mixed with numbers. Okay, what else? What is wrong with it?
I think the customer code should be up, like the heading.
Very good. The customer code is the header.
Yeah.
But it's there as number one. So that's what is really wrong there. Yeah. So what I like you to do, no, Patrick, no, you're not renaming here. Yeah. It's just the customer code is in row 1 and you want it to be a header. Yeah.
Okay.
So what you do is go to your to the right where you have use first row as header. It's the menu to the right. To the right. Can you see that? Pull down that arrow down key. Okay. So it says use first row as header. Okay. So that's what you want. So click on use first row as header. Click on it. And you see, yeah, that's what you want. So you've corrected that. So you want to use the first row as header. Okay, let's go on to the second one, countries. Click on countries. Okay, what's wrong with this too?
We have to use the second row as we have to use the country as the header here too.
It's the only country.
Country and code.
The code,
Okay.
also the
Yeah,
country.
exactly. Yeah, the code and the country should, yeah, the first row as header. So click on it. No, you need to take your cursor. Yeah, I mean down there. Okay. Use first row as header. Okay. So that's corrected. Okay. Lolade, you talked about the names, the numbers are together. Remember,
Yes.
this is the code and this is the country. Okay, let's look at so AL stands for Albania, AT stands for Austria. So that's what the codes at the country. Okay, click on sector. Let's see what we have in sector. Okay, so that's the sector. Sectors is the numbers there, the code, and the sector there. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the clients. Okay. You notice that, okay, the client has the code, and you notice that the AL is the code there. Yeah. Yes, and the numbers. So let's you have the 3, 6, 8, 7. Yeah. Okay, and the AL, the codes, the AL, the Albania is in the middle. So you want to split those columns. Yeah, so what do? Okay, can you go to, take your cursor to one of them, highlights, click on that, the header, click on that header to highlight everything. Okay. Okay, now I'd like you to click on split column. Can you take your cursor to the right? Pull down the arrow down. Okay, let's hold it down there because there is a right up there. Okay, you have the delimiter, you have the number of characters. Yeah, number of characters. You have positions, lowercase to uppercase to lowercase, digit to non-digit. So you need to know how you want to split it. So what would you go for? Okay, you can, yeah, look at what this says. Patrick, you could just take it to one of it so you can split column by positions. Can you see that? It says split values in the selected column into fragments of specified positions. Okay, so there are different ways to, so how would you split this? Yeah,
With
what would you go for?
uppercase.
Why would you use uppercase? Lowercase
Because
to uppercase. There is no
from
lowercase.
no, sorry. By number of characters, by position.
Okay, okay, do by position and let's see what you get. Click on it. You didn't click by position. Okay, so it automatically gives you this. Yeah. Yes. Okay, like it says 5 by 5, then 7. Yes. Okay, click on OK and see that this, if you click by position, that's what you want. Yeah. It's split it by to character, then this is the, you know how many Patrick,
Yes.
I notice you are scrolling down to go to the bottom of that
No,
screen.
I'm just checking, like, because the other, it's not just AL and AT. So
Yes. Can you maximize your screen and see how many columns you have?
my screen is maximum.
Your screen is minimized. How many rows? How many rows do you have? Your name is covering the number of rows there.
What?
If you look at the bottom left, it would tell you how many rows and how many columns.
3 columns, 999 plus rows.
You see? Yeah. So it's a lot of, rows. I notice you keep scrolling down. You will take you the whole night to go to the bottom of the screen. Okay.
I understand.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now you want to cancel this. Cancel this. Change type. No, the applied step. I want to show you another way to split columns. Okay. Now, go back to split column. No,
Cancel. Should I
cancel,
delete?
cancel it. Yeah, delete it. Okay. So it takes you back to how it was before. Now, click on it again. Click. Okay. Now, you can also use digits to non-digits. So
Yeah.
click on that. Digit to non-digits. Okay, did you see that? Yeah. Okay, so but the second column, go down to the second column. Are you on the second column? So what do you do to split that column there?
This one.
Yes, remember that you only split these numbers. You still have the AL plus this figures. What do you do to split the second column?
Oh, to split this one.
Yes.
Should I split? Should I
What
like?
you do? No, tell me. Lolade, you
Oh,
can
you
help him out.
split column.
I'm actually still looking at that. Splits.
Split column, right?
Yeah, remember we used digits to non-digits.
Digits, yeah.
Yes. So what should we use to split this one now, the second column? The first time we used by positions, which was okay. I did it. Yes. So tell me what do you think you should use to split this column now?
We can use positions now.
Yeah, you don't want to use position because you've used position before. So
So we
what
don't
else?
just.
Yes,
Okay,
what
we
else?
can use um. jeez. Number of characters. No, sorry. Upper. Jeez, no lower case.
No, okay. Remember, you use digit to non-digits for the first column.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we can
So
use
this
not
one,
digits.
yeah. So non-digits. The non-digits is the AL. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
The AL. So you split it. Do we understand that?
Okay.
Yeah. Do we have any questions with what we've done so far?
So
Any questions?
no.
Okay. No, okay. If you do non-digits first, it will just take the non-digits first. You did non-digits to digits. Non-digits is the alpha. Yeah.
That's
And
Okay.
digits. Yeah. So it depends on what you want. Okay, that's correct. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Let's see if it's something we can finish before 10. But please endeavor to come into class early tomorrow so that we start early. Let's go to your data set. Let's see what you have. Let's see. Okay, with these ones, you can, okay, you have the codes and you have the countries. So we've looked at, okay, we've done trim, clean, we've done renaming, yeah, and we've done split columns, okay. Okay, it's almost 10 now. What time is it? It's 2 minutes to 10. So do you have any questions with what we've done so far tonight?
Not at all.
Just
Okay.
have to keep track.
Okay. Please remember your assignment for tomorrow. We're going to discuss the different roles of data. And what assignment did I give you again?
We should find out what some of these guys categories of analytics. We should find out the meaning and what business analysts, data analysts, data engineers, data scientists do.
Okay. Yes. And Yeah, we just go to Google and because we'll come across this in the exam, so we need to understand that. Yeah. So, is there any question with what we've done so far today? Is there anything you want us to go over? So
No.
you're fine. So you're going to check the 5 categories of analytics.
Yeah.
Yeah, descriptive, diagnostic, prescriptive, yeah, predictive, and cognitive. Let's know what they all stand for. All right. Okay. So any questions? Any area you want us to go over before we call it a night?
No.
Okay. All right then. We'll have a.
All right.
Sorry, who is saying bye already?
No, well, this is by. But go ahead. Sorry.
Okay, Emmanuel, is that you? Okay, yeah, okay. I thought that was even Patrick. I didn't look. Okay, so we'll call it a night. Yeah, so please come in early tomorrow so we can start early. Okay, good night, everyone.
All right. Good night.
All right.
Good night.
All right. Good night.
Yeah, good
Just,
night,
Just to
everyone.
add, the key
Yeah.
is practice, practice, practice.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. So,
All right. Good night.
good night, everyone. So we'll see you
Good night.
tomorrow. Good
All
night.
right. Bye.
Good night. See you tomorrow. Please come in early.
Okay. All right.
We'll drop the recording on the chat.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can watch and practice.
All right.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. All right.
Welcome. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.